I'm doing a voiceover with this one because I had a mouthful of chocolate when I was talking, and I wasn't talking very well. So this little clip here is for Julia because Julia asked me if I would consider letting my horses into the house. I think if they were on the other side of the road or something like that. And I said I didn't think so, but I thought I'm in my studio here, in my timber studio construction, as the architect calls it. And I've just invited Heidi to come in and have a look, but she wasn't that interested. She's more interested in the grass. Then Heidi trying to turn the bucket around. Oh, she's stacking them up for me now. That's empty, that one. See what she does with that. Heidi, if you grab that handle at the top, between your teeth, you can actually open the lid. I'm only telling her this because it's empty. Oh, okay. This is what I usually have the buckets in when I prepare the food for a few days. Ooh. That's really head in the bucket. And here I'm trying now what the flimsy defences I can get away with when I do up my feed buckets. Uh-oh, here she is. I've already rattled all the food and she came.